guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. We are doing dupes all month of April because a long time ago I thought April Fools, April dupes, how cute. And so now every April I do a dupes series. It's the most expensive series of the year because I purchase all of these products with my own money. None of this is sponsored, believe me, I'd let you know. But yeah, that's also why we only do it in April, is because makeup is expensive and your girl is on a tight budget. So some of these products are minis or travel size, or I try to stretch my dollars as far as they can go for the videos and to review and things like that. So today's dupe that we are talking about is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter foundation, I guess, against the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin. These have both been out for a little while. Well, this one definitely has been out for a little while, and this one has come out on the market not too long ago. The e.l.f. has not come out too long ago, but we are facing them off because they look like a pretty good dupe for each other. So let's start with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. This is the box. This is the packaging. I got the shade 2, which is fair. Let's go over what it is. They offer it in 2 sizes. This is the full size, and it is $49 for 1 ounce or 30 milliliters. The full size comes in 12 shades. They do have a mini version for $19, and that is 0.18 ounces or 5.5 milliliters. Like, it is tiny, but that only comes in 4 shades, and it does come in fair. However, I could not find fair in Sephora. So when you're looking for the mini version of the Flawless Filter, it's going to be in like the point of sale aisles, like on your way to checkout in all those like acrylic boxes. You're gonna find the mini versions there. It's still $19 though, so it's still pretty expensive. Your better value is the full size at $49. You can find this at Charlotte Tilbury online. I got mine at Sephora. I don't know if anywhere else carries it. I will link that down in the description box below. But essentially you can wear this under makeup, over makeup, as a foundation, as a highlight, as a liquid glow. It's a very multi-use product. It's like light coverage. Lots of people have been loving it, especially for summer. Charlotte Tilbury kind of specializes in like very glowy, luminescent makeup. Like if you want something that's gonna make you shine, Charlotte Tilbury is where to go. Now, for the e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I actually own it in 2 shades, so they come in 8 shades overall. I own 2, which is Fair Light, and 1, which is Fair. It goes all the way to Rich, and the shades are adjustable. Like if you are in between shades, you can probably get away with, you know, light, darker, and things like that. I got 2 because I thought that's the color that I was, and then it ended up being really yellow, and then the Fair also ended up kind of yellowy on me. So we will figure that out as we go. This retails for $14, and you get 1.06 fluid ounces or 31.5 milliliters. So it is slightly bigger than the Charlotte Tilbury, but it does come in less shades. With it being $14, that is a $35 savings from the Charlotte Tilbury in the full size, and then a $5 savings from the mini size. Again, the Halo Glow, much like the Charlotte Tilbury, can be worn under makeup, over makeup, mixed with foundation, as a foundation. It's a very multi-use kind of illuminating product. The packagings also look very similar, and I do believe that they are both a doe foot applicator. Doe foot applicator. Charlotte Tilbury's is a little smaller. e.l.f.'s is very big, which is nice, covers a lot of surface area. I personally don't like doe foot application in terms of like a foundation product. I prefer a pump. but that's like personal preference. If you are unfamiliar with my April dupes series, we try these products side by side, so we are going to put them on either side of my face. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury on this side and the e.l.f. on this side. I have already moisturized and primed my face, so we are all ready to go in that regard, and I'm going to be using the same brush, different brushes, but the same model of brush to blend them out. This is the e.l.f. flat top powder brush, yeah. And it's because I have like 6 of these, so we're just going to pounce them out while I talk a little bit about what Sephora and e.l.f. has to say about these products, because they have little blurbs online. So starting with what Sephora has to say about the Charlotte Tilbury one. What is it? A complexion boost that blurs, smooths, and illuminates for a real-life filter effect. Customize your glow with 4 ways to apply. Coverage, light, radiant finish, formulation, liquid, best skin types, normal, oily, dry, and combination. Highlighted ingredients, finely milled powders, blurs lines and pores for a smoother, soft, focused look. Porcelain flower extract, Thai flower derivative that visibly brightens and moisturizes skin. Glossy oil, lightweight moisturizing oil that reflects and adds light where you need it. Ingredient callouts: this product is free of parabens, sulfates, SLS, and SLES. It is also gluten-free, and something else. My picture cut off. The e.l.f. website says about the Halo Glow. What is it? A full-size multi-purpose liquid glow booster infused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft, focused, social filter effect in real life. Why you'll love it: skincare makeup hybrid for glowing, dewy skin. Complexion looks healthy and more radiant. Can be used 4 ways: alone, over or under makeup, mixed with foundation, or use as a highlighter. Enriched with skin-loving ingredients like squalene and hyaluronic acid. Available in 8 universal shades that work across all skin tones. Key ingredients: squalene moisturizes skin, hyaluronic acid hydrates skin, finely milled powders blurs lines and pores for a smoother, soft focus. Great for all skin types. Okay, so this side is the e.l.f. and this side is the Charlotte Tilbury. Now what I will say, the difference is right off the bat, I feel like the e.l.f. has slightly more coverage than the Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury is very much like very illuminating, and that's about it. It barely has any coverage whatsoever, and so for that, I don't know how much I would use this by itself. However, it does provide a beautiful glow. They both do. If you're looking for something, again, little more coverage, then you're definitely going to want the e.l.f. I would say that I don't know if it's because of the glow or the actual shades themselves, but the color match is odd. This says that it's like a peachy tone, the fair, but I feel like, I don't know, they're just like odd colorings. I don't know if they're like too peach or too golden or too something, but I wouldn't necessarily call them universal. And also, if you have oily skin, I don't think this is the product for you. I think oily skin has like a natural glow to it, and I don't and I don't think that adding more shine on top is like going to make people with oily skin feel very like amazing. And also this really accentuates texture. But with all of that being said, we're not criticizing the products, we're testing them out against each other. With all that being said, I think that they look exactly the same. Like, if you're looking at my face right now, would you be able to tell that half of it is one product and the other half is another? Because I can't. Honestly, I can't. They are the exact same product and they look the exact same. Even when they swatched, here, let me swatch. Other than the color, because the color themselves might be different, they swatch the exact same too. I think Charlotte Tilbury's might have a little bit more luminescence. So this is Charlotte Tilbury's and this is e.l.f. and like I said, the color might not be exactly the same, but like the swatches themselves are the same. And e.l.f. has a little bit more coverage, like I said, but Charlotte Tilbury's has like a little more luminosity. But other than that, the feel, how they blend out, how they look after they're blended out is the exact same. And I know I'm a little late to like this dupe in particular, but it was hard to get e.l.f. Halo Glow for a while. Like, it has been sold out repeatedly. I think this is another like summertime product as well. Like when you want that sweaty but cute look, these are definitely going to get you there as well. But for a $35 savings, $35, if you can find a shade that works for you in the e.l.f., pay the $14. Why in the world would you pay the $49? Like, again, not telling you how to spend your money, but also, like, they're the exact same. Look at my face and tell me, like, try to change my mind. Like, these are the exact same. Certified dupe for sure, for sure. Should we put makeup on top of it just to see how it looks? Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna put a little, we're gonna zhuzh it up. We're gonna plus it up a little bit. Just using the NYX Bear With Me concealer serums in light and vanilla. I use 1 pump of each. And I'm just gonna use a Wet n Wild stipple brush, a little one. And again, we're just gonna try and see like how it looks underneath makeup or lays underneath makeup. Because these products in particular, they say that you can wear them under makeup, over makeup, everything in between. Gonna take my brushes. Oh yeah, that looks better with some like base makeup over top of it. You're still getting that like beautiful glow from like lit from within look. We could even try and put like a little bit on top of the foundation as a highlighter, because it says you can do that too. I think what's nice about these is that they are very like universal products. Like, you can wear them by themselves, you can wear them mixed in foundation, over top of foundation, under foundation. This is the ultimate sweaty but cute makeup. Yeah, I mean, it's giving the same. It looks the same, it's wearing the same, it's feeling the same. If you want slightly more coverage, e.l.f. If you want slightly more luminosity, maybe Charlotte Tilbury, but honestly, I'm getting the same shine on both sides. $35 savings is all. That's the dupe. That's the dupe. So I will link these products below in the description box so you can check them out on your own time. Have you tried either of these? Flawless Filter, Halo Glow? Let's start a conversation down in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Are they a dupe? Are they not a dupe? You let me know all of your thoughts down there. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more dupes. Thanks so much for watching, guys.